Yeah, sure. Hello.
How's everyone doing?
I forgot you could do that.
You don't know me, son!
There's crazy ones here.
I don't even know how you guys do that.
At the bottom left, I got.
Where did you find that last one?
It's from all the different Discord servers.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm gonna carry the boats and the logs.
We're gonna be doing a backtesting battle. This is like we're doing the bonus round, so we're basically doing random symbols. So if at the moment we've got Bitcoin, USD, gold, and S&P 500. I'll put that in chat. So if you guys have any suggestions, let us know, and we'll put it on the wheel.
Oh, we should put the Baxter's sounds in the soundboard. the voice messages.
Yeah, you'd like that. Yeah, so we'll give a few minutes. We'll give everyone a few minutes to join, and then get your last votes in, and I'll take a screenshot.
Yep.
Yeah,
Good.
sure.
Interesting set of symbols. BTC, gold, and the S&P. I secretly hope it's going to be BTC or gold, which is a bit different than last time. Because last time it was what? Nasdaq, I think.
Dow.
S&P was probably going to be... Was it Dow? Dow, yeah, Dow. Which is probably going to be similar to the S&P. BTC or gold would be very interesting.
Yeah, I kind of want the S&P.
No, that
Of course you do.
You're too experienced the S&P compared to us.
S&P stuff.
Anything I barely tested on the S&P was like super bad, which is funny.
Yeah, I mean 21 was good, but then 22 and 23 were super tough with a lot of
If it's
drawdowns.
S&P, I'm gonna inverse trade my strategy. So every time I actually look for longs, I will short. Maybe that will work.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. I'm gonna start taking screenshots.
Yep, sure.
8 and 9 votes. It's gonna be a close one. Not too many votes, so the chances of potentially winning a free subscription is not too low.
Yeah,
That's
let me
true.
see. It was 9 for me and 7 for Griff. Now it's 9 for Griff and 8 for me.
Yeah, they've been
What happened?
redistributed because Nico and I had the same amount. You've had one less, Marko, and I've had one more, and Nico's had one more since I last checked it.
Switching the votes in the last minute.
All right, I've taken the screenshots, so the votes can't be changed now.
Done.
Yep.
Right. Close the book.
Any more suggestions for the symbols? Let us know quickly because I'm going to spin the wheel.
Yep.
Do you guys have any suggestions? Bitcoin, gold, and the S&P. I can't think of any others.
No, I think that's good.
Maybe we can add like some random commodity like coffee or something, or soybeans, or
Yeah,
something
that's another category. Maybe like wheat.
Yeah, we could.
Yeah, there we go.
Oil
and coffee. I think those are good recommendations. Oil and coffee. Coffee beans.
Yeah, sure.
All right. We'll just take those two.
Yep.
Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Oh, I see your screen. Yep.
Cool. Let's spin. Coffee beans.
Oh, this
Did I lag? You guys still hear me?
It froze?
froze.
Oh, it's
Griff
freezing, yeah.
froze.
Well,
Oh.
it's coffee. Coffee it is.
Coffee.
I've
Oh.
literally
Yeah.
never looked at that chart. I've never even opened that chart.
Yeah.
No. I froze at the perfect time. Right, now the year?
Yeah, I think you're back. Yeah, go ahead.
Cool. Okay. Ooh.
What is
23.
it? 2023.
Just
23.
barely coffee in 23.
Interesting.
And finally the month.
Most of the battles were in 23, weren't they?
Yeah.
I think they were.
September.
Right. Coffee, September
Last
2023.
year, September.
Yeah, now we need to find the ticker.
Am I share my screen already? No, I don't think so. Wait, let me share my screen as well.
I think you're not sharing.
No,
Um,
no, I'm sharing it.
Yeah, you're sharing it now.
there is a good one on forex.com.
Yeah, is that the one you wanted to do? The coffee CFD?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one?
Coffee
forex.com,
CFD.
alright.
Coffee CFD.
CFD, yep, got it.
What's
Yep,
interesting about
Coffee
this
CFD.
is it's only open
Oh,
for like
you're right.
the weeks are real short. Shall I see if I can find one where it's open like 24/7 kind of thing?
It's from 9 to
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
Only during the day. Well, I just had a coffee. Maybe price is gonna rise because the amount went up or something. I don't know.
Vantage. Coffee. Arabica. There's
Yeah,
also
maybe they're all
FXCM.
coffee futures on FXCM. Yeah, they're all. Maybe they're all. Maybe that's just the opening hours of the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would say let's stick to forex.com, which is a reputable source.
The first one.
Forex.com.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do 2 months because it's going to be real quick otherwise.
Yeah, we can.
Yep. Yep.
can see.
Sure. So we're starting 23
September 1st of 2023.
September 1st. Well, that's pretty recent. No, it's not. I got confused.
It's on a Friday, right? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, time to start.
This is going to be very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys ready? You're at the correct date?
Yeah. Yep. I got it.
Yeah, let's do it. Good luck, guys.
Let's do it. Good luck.
First time opening.
Good luck.
Alright, let's make some percentage.
Should we be drinking coffee?
Ah, I just finished mine. That would be cool though.
I don't know
And
where
I'm
to
gonna enter
start.
like some sort of a sweep here, right on the open.
Are you trading the directional sweeps, Nico?
I don't know. I'll YOLO it this round. I feel like YOLOing has been the best in these kind of funny backtesting battles. Every time I stuck by the rules, I I lost. So I didn't lose, but I never made like crazy returns like some of you guys.
Yeah, I'll put in the EMA just to make it a
Ooh.
bit more interesting.
EMA.
I'll think about it.
First trade.
Top loss is looking. Oof. So good.
I think I'm going a little bit too quick.
I'm already on the 8th of September.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will definitely do 2 months then if you guys are ready at the 8th.
Yeah, I think 2 months is gonna be good.
Mm-hmm. What kind of entries are you guys favorable, feeling are favorable?
All kinds.
Even new
All
ones.
kinds. Yeah. Who's gonna carry the boats?
Secret backstage or behind the scenes Zentum strategies. I'm thinking, what will work on coffee? Trending, range bound.
Yeah, I don't
This
know what to
seems to be
expect.
moving quite well. At least when I zoom out, I'm seeing quite a bit of movement. Literally no idea how this moves.
Oof, I just got tagged out and then it's going. Hey, there's a nice continuation.
Hmm.
I think trading coffee, maybe got to pay attention a little bit more to the timing.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, you think maybe in the morning it goes up and then in the afternoon it goes down because more people drink coffee in the morning?
What kind of charts are we talking about here? Is it dollars on the right? Or grams, milliliters?
Caffeine milligrams on the right.
Yeah. Well, there was a nice trend in the second week, but I just got tagged out before it continued.
Really choppy, isn't it? I'm on the 14th.
Tom says that coffee reached all-time high last week. So
Really? Can you
maybe we should
go
all
back
go
to what it
along.
did in September 23 and tell me in private, please? You know what?
Expensive coffee.
This is looking pretty good right now.
Did you guys take any trades?
Yeah, I've just taken a scale-in.
Oh my god.
Caitlin.
I don't know what Griff is trading.
He's on drugs. Going crazy. I'm too afraid to take skeletons.
Griff is going ballistic.
Oh man. I abandoned, I'm stopping.
I'm using pretty big stop losses, so you don't need to worry.
Uh-huh. How come you chose a big stop?
I should have chosen a smaller stop, to be honest.
Yeah.
I just put my stop loss above the high, and it was pretty big.
Okay. Yeah, I'm using like 120 pips, which is pretty massive. Oh no.
Oof. That's a loss. What date are you guys on?
27th of September.
I'm on the 22nd.
Very nice. Ooh.
It's interesting because the market only being open like what 7 or 8 hours a day. It
Yeah,
does seem
yeah.
to move all right. Because if you look at like the S&P, which is technically only open, or at least the future is only open like from 2 p.m. London to like what 10. It's super. I mean, the sessions in between are super. I mean, not volatile, but they can produce some massive gaps. Which here on coffee, it seems like it's pretty reasonable. It's almost like it's 24/7.
Mm.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I mean, the
There's
price
no
action looks
gaps.
good.
I guess it's not too
Yeah, it does
volatile.
look.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
This whole time I've been looking for for a reversal, and then I take a trade in the opposite direction for the first time, and then it reverses.
Okay.
Typical.
Which date are you on now?
2nd of October.
2nd. Cool, cool,
Mhm.
nice.
Where are you? On which date are you, Marco?
I am on the. Oh my God. I am on the 10th of October.
Oh, you've been quick. Oh
Yeah.
man, that's a loss again. Hmm.
And you guys made some decent percentage on the Dow Jones, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Were there any good trending entries?
I think it was mostly trending.
Mm-hmm.
I'm starting to learn how this moves. Put your entries where your stop losses are.
Oof, that's massive. Hmm.
I'm running out of time here.
Hmm. Yeah, let's do it.
I mean, it moves pretty clean.
Yeah, it's surprising, isn't it?
It's really not that
expected this
bad.
choppy. Like this moves 10 times better than the S&P.
Yeah. It's really not that bad.
Maybe we shouldn't speak too soon, and maybe like the month of September, October was like an outlier compared to like the whole 3 years. Who knows? But I'm surprised. Yeah.
Yep.
I finished.
You're done? Cool. If we have a trade running before the end of October,
Yeah, you can let it play out.
let it play out. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I remember I had the same case a few sessions back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna need to make an executive decision.
Risk it. Risk
Oh,
it.
risk it.
I'm almost done. I'm on the 25th. My grandpa's birthday, 25th October. Come on, grandpa, bring me some luck. Nope. That's a loss.
Let's see. Oh. Okay, I'm done as well. This was a tough one.
Yeah, I think there was a point where I was like, okay, I'm running out of time. I've already lost. So I thought, if I'm already got the most losses, I may as well just go crazy. So I just took loads of trades, hoping I could get one back.
Yeah,
And
I
now
did
you're
a
up, now
similar
you're up
thing.
like 25%. Is that what you're saying?
Unfortunately, not this time.
Should I take this trade? Damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna take last trade to finish off the month. Gonna target conservative though. Oh, that blew me out of the water. All right. I think I'm done as well.
Nice.
Few hours
Cool.
left.
Nice.
Yep, finished.
All right.
All right.
Take a look at mine first so I can get it over with.
Okay, now I'm interested.
Go ahead.
So I started off with, we were kind of in an uptrend. I saw this V, so I took a buy, and that was a loss. And then I thought this looked nice, liquidity sweep. We got kind of, it continued. We broke below here. I kind of imagined, based on this symbol being like, how would you say it? Like, you know, the market's open like 5 hours a day. I kind of imagine, I was trying to focus on the lower time frames a little bit. So I was looking at this as a sweep right here. And it was
smart.
around New York market open. But this didn't work. And then I saw Head and Shoulders. We had this shift, so I set my order on this like support level, I guess. And then I just trailed my stop losses. Here's a scale in I took, just a flag. I thought may as well take it as a scale in. And then I kind of looking for lower time frame sweeps again. So again, timing my entry with New York open, I took a sweep and it failed. And then we started descending. And then this is where I was thinking, right, we're starting to downtrend now. So I'm going to take a directional sweep based on breaking this high. And this was when it decided to reverse. I was thinking about taking a buy here, but I thought, no, I'm doing downtrend now. And that's when it reversed, at least a little bit. And then I missed this sweep, so I entered later. And then this is when I told you guys, just put your entries where your stop losses are.
Uh-huh.
And then continuation here, aggressive continuation. And again, you know, put your entry where your stop losses are. And then I was like, right, I'm running out of time. I'm just going to call a reversal here based on this big wick. Nothing, well, there is something to the left actually. I did not acknowledge that. I'll be honest. I just took a short here. And then, yeah, this was a last-ditch effort to try and make a crazy return, aiming for this high, and I ended up with -7 for the month for September and October. But I think by the end, got a decent grasp of how coffee moves. It's definitely quite an interesting pair. There we
Griff,
go.
your reckless trading has finally got.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was about to say. Like, I'm not sad at all to see you get -7 because it was about time,
I
you get your
deserve
ass
it.
handed back to you.
Yeah, fair
Yeah,
enough.
we need to put in commissions as well. You're at -10.
The coffee
Yeah, and I
commissions.
think commissions are huge on coffee, so -12 maybe.
There we go. Show
Nice
me
one,
how
good
you
one,
trade coffee, guys.
I really like your thought process though. Like, it's only open a few hours a day, so maybe there's more to be seen on the lower time frame. So that was actually interesting. It didn't work out, but that was an interesting thought process.
Yeah, aiming
Yeah.
for London, so 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. I was aiming for my trades then.
All right, nice. Should we go over mine or Marco's?
Marko finished second. Do you want to go next, Marko?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yep, sure. Okay,
Marco's. Yep, I'm seeing
where
a
is
stream.
the start? So here is the first one. Nice
Ooh,
flag.
that's
This is like a minus. It's a reduced risk. I think it's a -0.5.
Oh, you took only one trade for the whole of September.
I think I did. Yeah.
Well, lucky for you, we did 2 months then, because that would be that would have been finished.
Yeah, so this is the flag, super clean flag. Did you guys take this one?
I did.
Yep, me too.
So same reduced risk, right?
Depends on I took a bigger stop loss, so it's a bit smaller, but yeah, reduced risk. Anyway, go ahead.
Here is a sweep, I believe. Yeah, it was a sweep. Just got taken out. 120 pips. Here was a super clean continuation, which I really liked. And right here, I got tagged out by, like, I put the stop loss, let's say 2 pips below, but this was like a 10 pip move, right? Which I didn't really expect. So yeah, I got taken out just before the big move up, fortunately. And then here, flag plus, super clean as well. Loss, and then just like a gamble. Basically bought right here with a 2-to-1, trying to bring the percentage back up. And I'm gonna have to calculate the percentage, but this was a reduced risk loss as well. So I'll let you know in the end how much it was.
Well done. I think, what was your winning trade? 1.6?
Yeah.
So -0.9, I think. Oh, there's one there. I forgot about that one.
So it's -1.5 here. Then this is like break even, let's say. This is -1. So I would say -1.
1.9.
No, it was a so many points.
Nice one.
0 point.
You kept it conservative. I mean, you kept it like textbook, pretty textbook.
Yeah.
Zentum.
I mean, if I put in our trade management here and I just used a 20 pip buffer instead of a 2 pip buffer, this would be like a, I don't know, 5 or 6% trade. So yeah, just one of those where I needed to adjust the buffer and I kind of forgot to do it.
Well done.
Yeah.
I missed that continuation.
Yeah, it was a good one. Nice one. Super clean as well.
All right, so to start off with what Marco's ending, I adjusted the buffer. So instead of using 15 pips, I did 150, so I kept it consistent. So I did adjust the buffer as well from a 2 to a 20 pip. And I started off with this aggressive flag here.
Very nice.
I was like, you know what? It's super aggressive because the impulse is very small, but coming from a descending, you're seeing. I was expecting coffee to be corrective, So I was expecting, so that's why I took this flag. So I was expecting for price to be push up, range, push up, range, push up, you know? That's what I was expecting. So that's the reasoning why I took this flag. I was expecting this kind of price action on coffee to be regular, where you had like some days were massive, some days were flat, then were massive again, then flat, then massive again, you know? A bit like the S&P sometimes, but
Yeah.
obviously it wasn't that way. When I started the reasoning, so that's why I took this flag, trailed it the way we trail it, and that made about 4.2% with a 150 pip stop loss or 15 pip as I wanted to use. Then I took a sweep, directional sweep of this level here, but this one failed. Nothing really fancy to say about it. Same stop loss. Took a flag down there as well, same as Marko. With a 15 pip, it's about a minus 1/3 of a reduced risk at this level here. Continuing down, I did take a sweep here as well. Bit aggressive, but I was like, you know what? I remember Griff talking about he was trying to long it, and then it finally went long, like later down the line. So I was expecting this to fail, but took me out anyway. Couldn't get a signal from Griff, or at least an inverse signal. So that's a loss. Then took an aggressive flag here as well. There's a wick, no range, so it is aggressive. But I was like, you know what? If this is going to reverse, maybe this is the leg Griff said it's going to reverse. I'm like, all right, I'm going to get in of the descending, but unfortunately, tapped me out as well. So then I was like, all right, screw Griff. He's going to make me blow my account. I don't listen to him anymore. So then I took a sweep, which Marko
It's
has
the same one I
as well.
took.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I used the 15 pip stop, and it barely kept me in.
Nice.
And I
Yeah,
targeted
nice,
pretty hard
nice.
because I was like, you know what? It has everything going for it to reverse, a descending, then you have a range, then a descending into the range. I'm like, you know what? This has to reverse. I'm going to target that 1 extra percent. So it did play out, plus 3%. And then we come to this trade that Marko took as well, which he didn't adjust the buffer for,
Yeah.
which I ended up staying in. So it was a very nice trade, very technical trade.
Yeah, that was a
Nothing
nice
really to
one.
say about it. That was a nice winner, 6 point something percent. Then I took a flag short. I was like, you know what, this looks very. Oh, let me hide that for a second.
Oh, Tom asks, what is adjusting the buffer? What does that mean?
Well, when I mean adjusting the buffer, let's say you put a risk to reward tool on. I have presets set for 15 pips, 10 pips, 20 pips, whatever. So let's say I click on 15 pips. This is what happens, right? The stop loss is super tiny. Oh, so what I did was I treated a 150 pip buffer stop loss as a 15 pip. That's what I simply mean by adjusting the buffer. So I just adjusted. I just 10x stop loss, but kept saying it's a 15 pip while it's actually 150 on TradingView. So the buffer that we use when we trail our stop losses beneath the lows, we use a 2 pip buffer. So I kept saying a 2 pip buffer, or referring to a 2 pip buffer, but I had to adjust on TradingView, put it 20 pips below, because that's how the coffee notations are quoted. But it's just a small detail, nothing really. It was just for myself personally. So then took a flag here, which lost. Very nice flag, very nice ascending. Big push
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
It was a flag plus actually. So inside bar, sidebar, entry candle. Unfortunately, it did not play out. And then took another last minute directional sweep. I was like, you know what, this may continue to the downside. So I had a shift, had a small range. Like, you know what, to finish the challenge on the last day, let's take a sweep. But then it ended up spiking me out for minus 1%.
Well done.
Nice.
Thanks.
Nice. Nice work.
Let me write down these totals. Marko, what did you get?
I got. Let me run through it one more time.
Nico, what did you get?
I will just calculate it. I'll tell you right now.
No problem.
This one. I got minus 1.5.
Nice.
Yeah.
I got plus 8.53.
Nico is the winner. Woohoo!
Well
Yoo-hoo,
done.
it was about time, like after like what 5 challenges. Yoo-hoo.
Nice.
Well done.
Yeah, good work. Good work.
Baxter is asking, Emma, could you clarify what you mean by scaling? So a scaling simply means you can enter a second position, which you then would call a scaling. So a scaling is simply a second position you add to your original position or your initial trade idea. So this second trade would be a scaling because you would already have this trade running in the background. Hope that clears it up.
Nico, I got some exciting news for you. The two people
Ooh.
watching, Baxter and Tom, they both voted for you. So hopefully one of them win.
That would be great. That would be great.
Nice.
Someone actually changed their vote. I can see the numbers changed.
Ooh, cheaters.
Ooh, who is it?
I'll tell
Lifetime
you.
ban out of Zentum. No questions asked.
Let's see. Who changed the vote? Oh, I don't think anyone changed the vote. I think maybe you just got an extra vote.
Uh-huh.
Because none of the others have gone down. There's just an extra vote. I'll add them in. It's Jeffy. But no, I can't do that because he might have added it after he saw you won.
Yeah, that's true.
Right. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's everyone. And then Tom and Fool
Before you
are
spin
watching
it,
us. Oh,
automate.
sorry.
No, it's fine.
I've hidden it.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Sorry.
Oh no, wait, I was. Oh my goodness, I was just about to say, Dube was last round's winner as well.
Really? Oh.
Yeah. So we have
Like-
2 months in a row.
That guy's
where
got
the
2
same
months.
guy
2
won.
months in a row.
I was just about to say, there in the list, there's a guy that won it last month, and that's the guy.
Oh.
So and then and yeah, he wins again.
That's so funny. That's happened a few times now because I
Yeah.
think
That's funny. It's the second time that happens. I think Sean won it twice as well.
yeah,
I
Sean won
think
it twice.
Sean won it.
Yeah, congratulations though. Congratulations. That Faith has it.
Yeah, we'll
It's,
send Dumo Dube a message with his free code.
Congratulations.
yep.
Dumo. He's not here, is he?
I don't think he is.
No.
Now,
it would have been great
now
to be
Tom
honest to have
and
it
Baxter are
or Baxter win it.
disappointed.
That would be cool.
That was fun.
Yeah,
It was a
that
good
was
one.
interesting trading coffee.
Yeah, it was all about the stuff. Coffee.
How actually it moved coffee. I never thought coffee would move so clean. I never thought coffee would move so much cleaner than like an index, like S&P or Nasdaq or something.
Yeah. That is pretty interesting. I mean, the flags were pretty good. The continuation was nice as well.
Even some sweeps.
Yeah, even the sweeps. Yeah, even the sweeps.
And that's in a session as well, which is great. No waking up in the night for those trades.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's true.
How could you trade coffee? Could you even bring it up on like a prop firm?
Yeah,
I'm pretty
FTMO
sure.
has
Let me
coffee.
check my MT5. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure.
FTMO. Yes.
I'm sure my personal broker. I'm pretty sure you have it in
What category would coffee be in? The same as wheat, and is it a commodity? Like
yeah,
gold?
it's commodities.
Yeah.
I think it is. Yeah.
It's not an IC market. Really? Is it not an IC market?
I mean, it's
Oh no,
a
it is. My bad.
CFDH.
Yeah,
It must
it
be
is.
there.
Coffee. Coffee C. Coffee C.
Hmm.
It's an IC market as well. Yeah, there are quite a few, like cocoa beans, soybeans, corn, orange juice. Orange juice, that's so funny. You can trade orange juice. Not even oranges, like orange juice.
Baxter says that he's been trying out the bulletproof coffee, coconut oil, butter, and salt. Interesting.
Coconut oil, butter, and salt. Yeah, that's interesting.
How
That's
does
for
the
backtesting.
butter help? I get the coconut oil and the salt. But
Make
maybe
it easier to go down.
maybe unsalted butter or salted butter. Fats. Yeah.
Yeah, I think some good high quality butter may actually be pretty good for you, contrary to a lot of opinions, I think.
Yeah, the 5%ers only have Red Bull, not coffee.
What? Red Bull? You're kidding. No way, I thought that was real for a second.
Watermelon plate.
You think the other commodities move that clean as well? I mean, the thing is, out of all the trading books I've read, a lot of them were like are old books, market wizards or like traders from the 80s, from the 90s. And quite a lot of them traded commodities.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
today, it's pretty hard to find people trading commodities. Maybe there's an edge there. Maybe those OG people actually had something like maybe commodities are pretty nice to trade still today, or maybe they weren't like 10, 15 years ago, and they're getting. I mean, they were 40 years ago or 30 years ago, and then when people maybe then it stopped working and now it's working again. I don't know, because coffee move is pretty cool, nice fashion. I'm surprised.
I guess it's just like pretty uncool to trade coffee.
Yeah.
People want to
Yeah.
like maybe there's some kind of mystery to forex
I'm
being an
trading
acronym
gold,
and all. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe,
Well,
but to be
maybe.
honest, if someone asks me like, "Oh, what do you do for a living?" "Oh, I'm trading coffee." I don't know. I would love that answer. Like, "Oh, you're trading coffee? You trade coffee for a living? You buy and sell coffee every day?
Yeah.
What do you have? You like a coffee shop? No, coffee shop. Like financial markets, yeah."
One day, because I wonder, how you can, because I guess when you buy like maybe a certain amount of lots of coffee, you probably own some beans somewhere in the world. Like you can probably buy them and have them delivered. you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, if you buy the futures contract and you don't sell it, you're technically owed
Yeah,
coffee.
you're technically gonna get coffee delivered.
Yeah, you're gonna get like a ton of coffee delivered to your door if you don't sell it. Like a whole boat, cargo boat coming.
And you
It's
know
a
what's
lot of
good about
lots worth.
coffee? What's good about
But
coffee is that ICT hasn't had his program, the market program put on coffee. He only has it on Forex. So basically, it could work much better,
maybe next year,
Yeah,
That's
he hasn't coded the algorithm on coffee, only on Forex. So that's pretty
maybe he keeps it
good
for
edge on coffee.
himself.
Yeah. Maybe.
I mean,
But
he's
it looks pretty
probably
good.
yeah.
I would be interested about the spreads.
Yeah, I think prop from coffee spreads are probably going to be insane.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well.
Yeah, chances are spreads are going to be bad. Let me open up IC. Oh yeah, it's Sunday. Nah, it's not going to be.
Tomorrow,
Maybe,
we'll check it
yeah.
out tomorrow.
I didn't want to have that revelation about coffee being so clean because I have so much stuff to backtest and I don't want to backtest commodities right now. Like I have no time to backtest commodities. And now
Yeah.
I'm like, one day I have to backtest commodities, but
There's so
not
much.
now.
Always some
In,
backtesting to do.
Always something to do, right? Always something to discover.
Coffee should come before the S&P. It looks
Well,
better.
seeing how messy the S&P moves, 100%.
Baxter asks, when you use the term spreads, could you elaborate? So it is the bid and the ask. Each time you execute a trade, you get executed basically on the bid or the ask line, depending on if you're buying or selling. So you never get the actual price that's written, let's say on TradingView. You get a bit of a worse price. Because in the market, there's always a buyer and a seller, and you're buying from a seller or selling to a buyer. That is the bid and the ask line. So the bid is the line that the buyers are willing to pay, and the ask line is the price that the sellers are selling that instrument at.
It's it's comparable to when you go to exchange money at like a
Yeah,
shop.
same thing. Yeah.
There are always two prices. At one price you're selling, at one price you're buying. So and the difference is actually the part of the profit of the broker that's selling or buying from you.
And that
So
difference
it's
is the
basically
spread.
yeah. So that difference is the spread is profit of
Yeah.
the broker, the commission he gets.
And the
That's
more people trade, let's say an instrument, the better the spreads will be. But the less people that trade a specific instrument, the worse the spreads will be, because there will be less buyers, less sellers. So on the Euro US dollar, the spread is pretty much like 0.1. It's super tight, but on coffee, where there is a lot less buyers and sellers, the spread is gonna be much bigger. So the difference between the bid and the ask is gonna be much bigger.
Thanks for joining
no
us.
worries, Max. See you next time. We're gonna have your sounds in the soundboard. Don't worry.
We can technically pull out corn as well because there is corn commodity on TradingView. I'm not sure if that's the
Yeah,
corn
he was watching
referring to,
coffee.
not sure that kind of corn is on TradingView.
Thanks for joining us, Tom.
Commodities is indeed for the
Yeah, no
research.
worries, Tom. No worries.
Thanks for joining, Tom. Thanks for supporting.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you didn't win, but maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time.
All right.
So thanks, Tom.
Thanks.
We'll keep at it. I think we can wrap it up here.
See you guys
Okay.
on Wednesday.
Yeah, see you on Wednesday. See you on the Zoom calls.
Yep.
And yeah, thank you for everyone for attending, and have a great rest of the week, or have a
Next
great new week. Next week. Yeah, right.
You too.
Okay.
All right. See you guys. Good
See
to
you.
have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.